Trump tariff: how to navigate these tariff-related challenges. The return of Trump tariffs is shaking up global trade once again. For India, this isn't just about higher export costs, it's about rethinking how we compete in a world where access to the US market, the biggest in the world, suddenly gets more expensive. Tariffs are back, and industries from textiles to steel are already feeling the heat. Here's what's happening on the ground. Textiles and apparel. Indian manufacturers, already competing with Bangladesh and Vietnam, now face higher duties, making our products less price competitive in US stores. Steel and aluminum. Tariffs here mean Indian metal exports either lose market share or margins, both of which hit profitability. Pharmaceuticals and IT. These sectors are less directly tariffed but get caught in the crossfire. Customers in the US negotiate harder, delay orders, or shift sourcing. SMEs. Smaller exporters, who rely heavily on the US for growth, face cash flow crunches with thinner margins. Bottom line: tariffs create uncertainty, and uncertainty slows investment. So, how do Indian industries respond? Three key moves. Diversify export markets. Don't rely only on the US. Southeast Asia, Africa, and the Middle East are growing consumer markets. Building strong footholds there reduces overexposure. Move up the value chain. Low-cost manufacturing is where tariffs bite hardest. If Indian companies focus on innovation, design, branding, and sustainable manufacturing, they become less price-sensitive and harder to replace. Strengthen domestic ecosystem. Government and industry need to work together, supporting exporters with trade finance, easing logistics bottlenecks, and negotiating new trade agreements that open fresh doors while tariffs close others. Trump's tariffs may slow us down, but they don't have to stop us. For India, this could be the push to build resilience, find new markets, and turn short-term shocks into long-term strength.